Good morning, my dear students. Today we are discussing about atopy. So, what is the atopy? Atopy, it is atopy is also known as a atopic syndrome. Atopic syndrome. Atopic syndrome. What is the atopic syndrome? So, atopic syndrome, it is a predisposition towards developing certain allergic hypersensitivity reactions. So, here predisposition towards developing certain allergic reactions, allergic hypersensitivity reactions. Certain hypersensitivity reactions are developed in our body is known as the atopy. So the atopy it is occur in the child, in the premature baby, in the mother also. It produces the some allergic hypersensitivity reactions. So infant eczema, example is the infant eczema. Infant eczema, it is a allergic reaction. It show up between the 2 to 6 months age of the baby. It occurs in the 2 to 6 months of a nasty, and itchings are occur, itchings. And the next one, rashes. These are the occur on our face, spreading to the ear, legs, arms, and etc. Total our body. So sometimes it produces the pimples, can form also. So eczema is a clear up in half of case of the 18 months age and usually becomes less severe in other children by age 3. So this is the introduction about the atopy. So the atopy word is discovered by the atopy word discovered by the Koka and Koch and Koki in the 1923. So in 1923, these two scientists are describe the atopy. So the term atopy was used of any. It is used of any immunoglobulin E, IgE, is the mediated reactions. So even those are the appropriate, this is the proportional to the antigen. So but many predictions reserve the blood atopy genetically medication mediated predisposition on the any excessive of the immunoglobulin E reactions. So the atopy may have a heredity component. It is a heredity component. It is a heredity component. So it is also contact with the allergen. So it is the contact with the allergen must it is the allergen must occur before the hypersensitivity must occur before the hypersensitivity reaction can develop. These are individual components atopy is caused the least part of the allergy, and these are the response appear after body. So it is the response in our body after some time, after some days or some time, it is occur in our body. So this is an introduction about the atopy. So the atopy it is occurs in our body, not depends upon the atopy would not depends upon the different types of allergens. Example is the dust. It produces from the dust, and certain types of food material, certain types of the chemical and physical irritants also produces the atopy in our body. So it is generally it is defined the is presence of the elevated levels of the total allergen specific immunoglobulin E in serum, and it is a positive skin prick test is a common allergens. So the next one, the common trigger infant is eczema. It is produces with them The common trigger of infant eczema included produces the moisture means from milk and saliva and sweet. So and sometimes it produces the heat, sweat and dust and the dust and the cigarette smoking and where is detergents, soaps. Through these conditions also it produces the atopy. So this sometimes of food allergens like especially cow's milk, egg whites, and chocolate nuts. These are all are the produces the atopy. What is the signs and symptoms of the atopy? Signs and symptoms. Signs and symptoms. It is these characters tended the high allergic means hyperallergic. So with person atopy typically presents in the one or more following eczema, allergic rhinitis, and the next one allergic conjunctivitis, allergic asthma. These are all are the presented in our body. So it is produces the hay fever is produces, and the next one it is produces the immunoglobulin E reactions. The next one, hypersensitivity reactions, rashes occur in our body, sweating is occur in our body, itching. These are all are the signs and symptoms for this particular atopy. And the next one, it is a genetically also it produces the atopy. Genetics. What about the genetics for the atopy? So there is a strong genetic predisposition of the towards the atopic allergy, especially in the especially it is the especially occur in the maternal side means mother side. Maternal side, the genetical disorders occurs from the maternal side. Because of strong families evidences, investigators have tried to map susceptibility gene for atopy. So especially in this atopy, it is a study about the maternal side only. Why? Because of strong evidences are provided from the mother side relationships only. And here it is the these are the have been reviewed, but in says genes for atopy tend to involved in the allergic responses and other components are immune system. It produces the allergic responses is occur identified in the genetically, and the next one immune system also identified in our body. It produces the atopy. So how to prevent and control it? Prevent and control. Prevent and control. First one is keeping baby cool and sweat free. And the next one, eliminating cow's milk, nut products, eggs. Eliminating nut products, eggs, and citrus fruits from the baby diet, and using detergents, specific detergents only. Using a detergents, specific detergents, avoiding fabrics scratchy fabrics. And the next one, use only small amount of ultra mild soap only. Use only ultra ultra mild soaps. Use only ultra mild soaps. And the next one, uh, applying a gentle moisturizer. And the next one, Avoid old fashioned hot steam humidifier and etc. This is the control. And what is the treatment? What is the treatment? So although there is no cure for the atopic dermatitis, it can control with the preventive measures and medications. No treatment, we are using the only preventive measures and medications only. So we are using the prevention is the best treatment for the atopy. So we are the typically combination, we are using the some combinations like corticosteroids are we are using for the treatment of atopy. So this is about atopy. If you have any doubts from this topic, tomorrow we will discuss. Thank you.